Welcome to our $850 gaming PC build. Let's go over the parts. CPU, AMD Ryzen 5 7600, $165. A 6-core 12-thread processor with everything one needs for gaming. Motherboard, MSIB 650, gaming plus Wi-Fi, $150. A new age motherboard with everything new on it and Wi-Fi capabilities in it. RAM, 32 gigabytes Silicon Power Zenith DDR5 6000 megahertz, $85. Great speeds to ensure PC runs smoothly. GPU, Intel Arc B580, 12 GB, $250. A graphics card that does the job and provides great gaming rates. Storage, 1 terabyte Silicon Power UD85 NVMe SSD, $52. Very fast storage for rapid loading. PSU, MSI Mag-A 650GL, 650W, $70. Effective and reliable power supply. Case, Okinos Oak Cypress 5 Air, $55. Provides airflow and acceptable cooling temps for parts. Cooler, Thermalright Assassin Spirit 120 EVO, $23. Great cooling for your CPU. This totals at $850. Your gameplay capabilities for this gaming PC will be able to run graphical settings on high for AAA games like Cyberpunk 2077 over 60 FPS and 1080p. This build is perfect for the budget gamer looking for maximum value. Like and subscribe for more builds.